A very good morning, students. So in today's class we are going to do chapter number 2 of our book Footprints Without Food, that is The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. So as you can see on your screen that this one is our title, The Thief's Story. The author is Ruskin Bond. Okay, so the main objective of this chapter is to enable the students enrich their vocabulary, to enable them read the lesson in proper intonation, to enable them understand the thief's behavior with unknown people, to enable them that how a person can motivate other to change his nature, to enable them to understand the importance of education, to enable them understand the two different characters which are Anil and Hari Singh, to enable them get enjoyment through reading the lesson. So first of all, I would like to tell you the thief's story deals with the reformative power of trust. So through this story we will learn that we should not betray anyone's trust. So we can see some new words which has been used in this particular chapter. So the first word is approach, to come near, like this manner. Okay, here is one example. They heard the sound of approaching car. So the second word is confidence, believe in. The players all have confidence in their manager. Flattery is a kind of praise that is not a sincere, means fake praise someone. Okay, you are too intelligent to fall for this flattery. Next one is modesty, the state of being not very large, means it's very expensive. They try to distinguish the modesty of their achievement. Appealing smile, that is an attractive smile. The dog looked up at her appealingly. So the next one is starting of this chapter. Okay, so first meeting of Hari Singh with Anil. Hari Singh was a 15 years old boy and Anil was at about 25 years old boy. So Anil was a young writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for the magazines and earning the money to run his life. One day, Anil was watching the wrestling match. The thief, who was taken new identity as Hari Singh because that was not his real name, that was fake name, met him there. Hari best knew how to make unknown person a friend. He used an old formula to flatter the person. Flatter, we have already been praised, that is not sincere. Okay. So, how to make unknown person a friend? He used an old formula to flatter the person. Then automatically the person becomes your friend. Means he knows very well those type of techniques or those flattery kinds of techniques. Through this, जिसके ज़रिए वो क्या करता था, दूसरों को अपना फ्रेंड बना लेता था easy way से. So the next is Hari Singh was a boy of 15 years old, decided to make Anil his next victim. When Anil left the match, Hari also followed him and asked for the job. Anil was not rich to keep a servant, however, he was ready to keep Hari with him because he only wanted food. Anil offered him to the job on one condition, that Hari Singh had to cook food for him. The food prepared first time by Hari was given to stray dogs as it was waste and tasteless. He told to Hari to leave his house, but Hari stayed there and Anil took pity on him. He allowed him to live with him. ठीक है, वो अपने साथ रहने के लिए बाद में जो है उसको अलाउ कर देता है. किसको? हरी सिंह को. हरी सिंह जो है उसका फेक नेम होता है, दैट वॉज नॉट हिज रियल नेम. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज Anil taught Hari how to write and add numbers. Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. He also taught him how to cook tasty food as well. Daily, Hari Singh was going to buy daily needs and had profit of 1 rupees daily. Anil knew it, but he didn't mind it. Both were living together happily. This one is, we can see, Hari, and this one Anil. So the next is हरी सिंह इविल स्पिरिट अवेकन. अब जो है हरी सिंह जो है उसकी इविल स्पिरिट, जो कि उसका एक बिजनेस होता है थीविंग करना, वो अवेकन हो जाता है. उसको ये रियलाइज़ होता है कि वो किस काम के लिए यहाँ पे आया है, अनिल को थीव करने के लिए, थेफ्ट करने के लिए. 1 month passed, हरी सिंह नॉट परफॉर्म्ड हिज बिजनेस वॉज थीविंग. One day he saw Anil had bought a bundle of notes. He saw him to put under the mattress. As Hari saw the bundle of notes, his evil spirit awakened in his mind and he decided to rob Anil that night. After taking dinner, Anil slept peacefully. Hari could not sleep. He woke up. He crept to. Crept to means crawl. जैसे बच्चे crawl करते हैं ना, वैसे, ठीक है. Crept to means crawl. The bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He found the notes and run away on the road. So the next is, what was the plan of Hari? Hari Singh made up his mind that he would directly go to the railway station and would catch the Lucknow Express at 10:30. He thought that Anil would not catch him if he run away from the city. अगर वो यहाँ सिटी से दूर चला जाएगा तो अनिल जो है उसको नहीं पकड़ पाएगा. So, but there was a little bit conflict between the good spirit, as you can see in the picture, and evil spirit. Hari Singh reached the railway station. Lucknow Express was about to go. Suddenly, the good spirit called him. The inner voice told him not betray the faith of Anil. The train was moving, but Hari had no dare to catch it. He was remembering the innocent face of Anil. When Hari Singh thought that what would Anil think about him, Anil would not worry about the money, but he might felt bad a man had broken his faith. मीन्स उसको ये था कि अनिल को ये इतना ख़राब नहीं लगेगा कि मैंने उससे उसके जो पैसे हैं चुरा लिए, बल्कि उसको ये इतना ख़राब लगेगा कि मैंने जो है उसका ट्रस्ट बिट्रे करा है. सो हरी सिंह डिसाइडेड टू रिटर्न. अब हरी सिंह क्या डिसाइड करता है? रिटर्न करना, वहीं पे वापस जाना अनिल के पास. देयर वॉज कन्फ्लिक्ट इन द माइंड ऑफ हरी सिंह. ही डिडेंट वॉन्ट टू लूज फेथ ऑफ अनिल बिकॉज ही न्यू दैट अनिल वॉज अ सिंपल मैन. Moreover, Anil was teaching him how to write and add numbers which could change his life. Because Hari Singh knows the values of education, he could become a respected person in the society after getting the education. He left the railway station. He came to the Maidan and sat on the bench just as heavy rain started. It was the month of November, so chilly wind was blowing fast. That was a little bit uncomfortable for the Hari Singh. He felt more uncomfortable as he had cheated an innocent person. So the next is, his shirt and pajamas stuck to his body because it were wet due to the rain. Then he went to the clock tower to save from the rain. He sat there under the tower. Suddenly he remembered his notes. He searched for it and found that all the bundle of notes were वेट. जो सारे बंडल्स होते हैं वो सारे जो है वेट हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. देन ही स्टेयर्ड रिटर्न बैक टू जमुना स्वीट शॉप वेयर अनिल हैड अ रूम ऑन द टॉप. देन वो अनिल के पास वापस जाना डिसाइड करता है और वहीं पे पहुंच जाता है अनिल के रूम में. हरी पुट बैक मनी अंडर द बेड सीक्रेटली. हरी सिंह रिटर्न टू अनिल. ही क्रेप्ट अगेन. He crawled again and secretly put back money under the mattress. The next day, Anil woke up, prepared tea for Hari and himself. He handed over 50 rupees notes to Hari and told him that he was regularly paid now. Hari took the note and found that it was still wet because जो लास्ट टाइम जब लेके गया था वो सारे पैसे, तो उस टाइम पे रेन की वजह से वो वेट हो गए थे. ही अंडरस्टूड दैट अनिल न्यू अबाउट द लास्ट नाइट एपिसोड. ठीक है, उसको रियलाइज़ होता है कि अनिल को जो है सारी सिचुएशन पता है कि रात को मैंने क्या किया था उसके पैसों के साथ, लेकिन उसकी आंखों से और ना ही उसके लिप से कुछ भी मेरे को ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि उसको ये सारा चीज़ पता चल चुकी है. ठीक है, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे अहेड. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी इन अ वेल मैनर. थैंक यू.